Welcome to another episode of Learn's Media and Tech Show. My name is Colin.
I'm Amira.
Yeah, and today we're going to share some tips for you. What are we going to talk about?
Today we're going to talk about 3 most important tips on keeping your gears organized.
Okay. So what are really the 3 most important tips when it comes to organizing our gears?
The first is Velcro to tape up all your cables together.
Okay.
Second will be labelers and labels. I would actually label all the batteries so you won't get mixed up with which one is used and which one is not. The third one will be section bags, so you know it's more convenient for you to like grab your cameras and then go.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe you bring us to talk about more in details of what you mean by all these 3 tips, shall we?
Yeah, sure. So Colin, what's your least favorite part of production?
I think it's the mess. After a shoot, we have so many things all over the set.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, it's, I get a headache seeing all this and then packing up. What about you?
I like to do the packing.
Really?
Yeah, because I know that it will be cleaned up and organized and I get to go home happily. Yeah.
You have a point.
Okay, so the importance of Velcro is actually to keep your wires neat and to prevent your wires from getting spoiled. So this is how I do it. So second tip would be labeling your battery. Like how I label them is battery pack number 2. And the reason why I actually label them is because so we won't get mixed up whether the batteries are already used or not, and we can actually know which battery is really charged or not. And the third step would be my favorite, which is organizing this stuff into a section bag. So example, 2 of the batteries will be here. Number 2. Another tip would be it's good to have your own battery organizer, I shall say, and then you can keep it inside neatly. And also another tip would be a good place to store your cards or memory cards. So yep, that would be in here. This one, I'll just squeeze it here. So yeah, and ta-da! Neat.
So there you have it. Another episode of the Learn's Media and Tech Tips brought to you by Amirah. So the next time you want someone to clean up your house,
I can be your maid.
but I think in all seriousness, this is what Amirah is really good in doing. Organizing all the mess you saw earlier into something like this. Thanks for helping us to clean up every time after a shoot. Okay, so until the next episode, my name is Colin.
My name is Amira.
We'll see you then. Bye.
Bye.